Hello everyone, I am Dr. Disha Sonarkhan. I am consultant at Marvel Skin Hair and Laser Clinic at Latur, Maharashtra. So friends, many of us have suffered from COVID-19 and have recovered. So lot of people complain about hair loss after recovery from COVID-19. So the question is whether COVID-19 causes hair loss? Let's see. COVID-19 causes hair loss approximately 2 months after recovery from COVID-19. Once it starts, then it can get prolonged up to 6 months. This is a temporary and reversible hair loss. It is called as telogen effluvium. The telogen effluvium, it is when a growing hair suddenly it goes into resting phase, it is called as telogen effluvium. Whenever there is insult to the body deviates all its energy and nutrients to some important parts of the body and stops the growth of hair for some time. This results in hair fall. The various causes of telogen effluvium generally they are prolonged fever, emotional and physical stress, then dietary deficiency such as deficiency of iron, vitamins, minerals, proteins, then weight loss and hormonal imbalance. In COVID-19, there is stress to the body mainly due to prolonged fever due to COVID-19, prolonged medication for treating the COVID-19, then dietary changes due to loss of appetite and loss of taste. Then there is anxiety due to the ongoing pandemic, depression due to the isolation, there are financial worries like fear of loss of job, business loss, etc. So there is risk of weight loss. As the hair that enters the telogen phase rests at its place for approximately 2 months, then after the COVID-19 recovery, we do not see hair loss immediately, but we see after 2 months, approximately 2 months after the recovery. But we at all of a sudden we don't get baldness because the individual hair which goes into the resting phase, it is replaced by a new hair. That's why there may be thinning of hair for a couple of months, but after the new hair grows, then there again the fullness of hair is seen. Some cases they recover well and the hair grows well, while in few cases it may take longer time. Some people all hairs may not grow back. So coming to the treatment of this, first of all, de-stressing is very important part of the treatment. This includes self-care activities like meditation, breathing exercises, positive attitude, and we should indulge ourselves in our hobbies to keep ourselves happy and balanced. Second is adequate sleep. Third thing is exercising like cardio exercises, walking, running, aerobics, cycling, etc. as well as yoga. Third thing is replenishment of our nutrients. So we should include lot of vegetables including green leafy vegetables, spinach, then carrot, pumpkin, fruits including citrus fruits, then nuts, whole grains, eggs, meat, sprouts, all these in our daily diet. So friends, if all these measures don't suffice and still you lose about 200 hairs per day, then you should consult your dermatologist and you should take treatment for 3 to 6 months. So I think if this information is useful to you, then like, share, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.